passive income of $500 per month with very simple strategy. I'm full-time institutional crypto trader, and in this video I will show you a strategy how to earn $500 of passive income on ByBit. So at the end of this video you will be able to copy it. Let's go! I already used this strategy very successful, and I have my public portfolio which already reached a profitability of 84% of annual return. So this is very nice profitability with very simple strategy. And in this video I will show you how to apply the same strategy on ByBit Exchange. And in this video you will see already the first profit that I'm going to receive. And this will happen very soon. But first of all, let me explain you which strategy I will use to get this $500 per month. And about this strategy you haven't heard yet, because this strategy is very simple, with low risk and with very high profitability. And this strategy called selling options. So on ByBit Exchange we can trade options, but instead buying options I will sell the options. And basically each time when I sell option, I receive the premium. And this premium is my cash flow or my passive income. So I sold option, I received the premium instantly on my account. And this I will show you very soon. For example, I can sell Bitcoin option and receive instantly upfront a premium. And for that I have to do only one trade. And by doing this, I can reach a passive income of $500 per month. So that's why stay with me and I will show you step by step with very easy examples how to get this passive income. And as I said, I already have a portfolio where I use the same strategy and the profitability is very high. For example, in the last month, the profitability was equal to 85% of annual return. And as you can see, the total account value is equal right now to $2,300. So I started my public portfolio with an initial balance of $2,000. And right now, the total profit that I received by selling options is equal to more than $300. So the strategy works really nice. And now let's take a look how can I get the same profitability on ByBit Exchange and receive all this cash flow and passive income. So as you can see on ByBit Exchange, I already have an initial balance of 2000 USDT. So this is absolutely a new sub account. So it will be able to track the P&L and profitability very easily. So as you can see, all the parameters are set to 0. And also if I go to the trading performance, I can also see that the option has no information at all right now. So it will be very easily in the future to track the performance. And as I said, to receive this passive income, I need to trade options. So in options I can find under the trade and options. So there are options for Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana. So on my public portfolio on Deribit Exchange, I trade options for Ethereum. And on ByBit Exchange, I will trade options on Bitcoin. So let's open the options and I will show you how it works. So here we have the initial information about the options. So this we can skip. Okay, complete. Now we are ready to trade options. So as you can see, my margin balance is equal to $2,000 and that means that I'm ready to trade. But before that, let me explain you very briefly what options are and how this strategy exactly works. So basically there are two types of the options: call option and put option. If you would like to go long, you buy call option. If you would like to go short, you buy put option. So very simple. Each option has its own expiration date. For example, here you can see the option will expire tomorrow, after tomorrow, at the end of week and the end of month, and so on. And by the statistics, most of the options expires worthless. By knowing that, I can sell these options with very high probability of success and very low risk. And this is exactly what I will do. And one of the most easiest strategy that I use all the time and get very high profitability is to sell put option. I have full step-by-step guide how to sell put option, where I show you with a real-life example how do I find the expiration date, how do I find the strike price, and how do I execute this trade to receive this premium. So if you would like to learn how to sell put option, the link you will find in the description below. And I definitely recommend to watch this video, because this is a game changer if you would like to earn consistent passive income. So I definitely recommend you to watch this video. But now let me explain you briefly how this strategy works. And this strategy is very simple because it is very similar to buy limit order. But for this buy limit order, I receive a premium every time I sell option. So let me explain you with an example and you will understand it exactly how it works. So as you can see, the current market price of Bitcoin is equal to $106,700. And let's say the current market price is too high for me, but the price of $104,500 looks attractive for me, which is almost 2% lower than the current market price. So by selling put option, I will be ready to buy Bitcoin at that price after 16 hours. And by selling one put option for one Bitcoin, I can get premium of $19 per day. But for that, to follow the strategy in the right way, I need to have $104,500 on my account balance to be able to buy one Bitcoin at that price. So as you know, I don't have $100 on my account balance yet, so that's why I have to trade in a fraction, which will be equal to $2,000. In this case, this will be the amount of Bitcoin, which is equal to 0.02 Bitcoin, which is equal to $2,000. And after I sell this put option, I receive upfront the premium. And no matter what, this premium will belong to me. So once again, you can see that my total balance is equal to exactly 2000 USDT. And after I sell put option, what I will do very soon, I will see the increase in my balance, and it will be more than $2,000. So now let's sell a put option and get this premium. So I go to options one more time, select the options BTC USDT, and let's open the option chain. So here we go. And let's select the same strike price that we have already looked at. To sell put option, I have to click on it, select sell because I would like to sell put option, adjust the price. So let's sell this put option for a price of $95. And after that, I have to select the quantity of 0.02 Bitcoin. Because by following this strategy, I would like to be always sure that my notional amount is equal to my account balance. In this case, they are very similar. And this is exactly what I would like to have. So the price moved a bit, but it's not bad. Let me adjust the price to $90 and execute the trade. So sell and confirm. And it's done. So I just sold a put option. So as I said, in case I sell one put option, which is equal to one Bitcoin, I receive a total premium of 90 USDT. Because I sold a quantity of 0.02, my total premium that I received will be equal a bit less than $2. But it's not bad, because by selling options every day consistently, I can get a very high premium in total at the end of the month. And after 1 week, I will show you already my first results of the trading and how much profit I was able to earn in 7 days. So that's why subscribe to my channel in order not to miss the next episode. But now let's take a look how much premium I collected. And here you can see the executed trade. So I sold a put option. The price of a put option was equal to 90 USDT and the notional value of my order was equal to 0.02. So that means my total premium that I received is equal to 1.80 USDT minus the trading fees. And now let's take a look at my total balance. Because as I said, I received this premium upfront. So that means this premium should already be visible on my total account balance. And now let's open my total account balance. So assets, trading account, and here we go. And the premium is already here. So from the first glance, it looks like a peanuts. But don't forget, this premium is equal to only for 1 day. And let me show you something. If I take the premium that I received, which is equal to $1.57, and divide it by the initial account balance that I have, which is equal to $2,000, then I have a profitability of 8 basis points per day. So what is 8 basis points per day? If we multiply this with 365 days, so that means if we will sell all the options with the same profitability each day, after 1 year we will have a profitability of almost 30%. So this is a very nice profitability. And right now the implied volatility of Bitcoin is very low. So as a result, the premiums are low too. So that's why when the volatility will increase a bit, my profitability will increase too. So that's why subscribe to my channel and I will show you how to start with a small deposit, get consistent profit every day, and after some time get a passive income of $500 per month. And we will achieve this together. So subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. See you. Bye.